Can you tell me why you should stop paying your mortgage?
You want to be evicted. You want to trash your credit.
I've heard you can save money by not paying your mortgage.
Sure, and the cash you save is good for a deposit on the apartment you'll have to move into.
I've heard people can live years before they get foreclosed on.
Yes, that's become more prevalent since the 2008 Great Recession, which still has not really ended. There is such a foreclosure backlog in places like California that it takes up to 2 years to process.
Then I could live rent-free for 2 years in my home.
If you skip the property taxes, the state put it up for auction well before then. And that's assuming it doesn't get processed faster.
I've heard that stopping the mortgage payments can get you refinance options you wouldn't otherwise have.
You've listened to too many late-night TV ads. They might give you an option to refinance for a longer-term loan. If you can prove you can't pay the payments as they are, like if you have an adjustable rate mortgage.
Then I get to save those payments and get a lower interest rate.
You get a longer-term loan and the payments you miss get added to the balance. And the mortgage company can still move forward with foreclosure while negotiating with you.
So I could get foreclosed on while filling out 2 pounds of paperwork for harm, or hamper programs?
Yes, you could. And missing multiple payments is a sufficient basis for them to reject you during refinancing.
And they can still foreclose on me.
They could even foreclose on you after you're approved for the refinance program because the left hand of the bank doesn't know what the other hand is doing.
There was a family that foreclosed on the bank for wrongly foreclosing on their home.
Yeah, the bank foreclosed on the wrong home, one they didn't own. If they make mistakes like that, I assure you that they could foreclose on your unpaid mortgage despite the 6-month hard process from which you could be dropped.
Yet another reason to hate big banks.
Yet another reason to pay your mortgage.